Hello everyone, my name is Chris. I'm the creative director for Brown Sparrow, and in today's video it's all about e-commerce. We're going to do things a little bit differently today. We're going to split the video into two parts. Part one is going to be about the user experience for your store, and part two is going to be about the back end of the store, and that really means like how do you access customer orders or apply tracking numbers to customer orders or see how many of the sales, things like that. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. So for today, we're going to use a website called Chips and Chocolate. It is a cookie shop based out of Brooklyn, New York, and they sell cookies that are made with potato chips. I tell you, their cookies are really good. This client had us build a shop so she can send her customers online to her website to purchase her cookies in addition to coming to her brick and mortar location. So we decided to set that up for her. So I'm going to show you what the store looks like and some of the functionalities that are available in the store. So this is the store. She just wanted something simple and easy to use. So we have like a hero image. We decided to add a search bar because we knew she would be making new flavors of cookies. And so we thought it'd be a great idea to have a search bar so that way her customers could search for the different types of cookies that she's going to be making or have made in the past. Currently she's selling about 4 different cookies. Each cookie's properly listed with the price, and it has like this cool hero image effect. So when a customer hovers over an image, they'll see another image of that product. Another cool thing is like if you decided to make a product go on sale, we'll have something that the system that has is like called a sales sticker. So the sales sticker would label itself onto the product and then show the customer like the sale price and the original price. Let me click on the product and show you what the product page looks like. So this is what we call a product page. All your products will have their own individual product page, which is cool because then you can share those individual products and not necessarily have to share the entire store if you wanted to. Each product page will have the title of the product, the price, if the item is on sale, again it says it's on sale, and it also informs the customer how much of a savings they're saving when the product goes on sale, which is cool. We also have something called attributes, and the attributes are like different variations of that product. And in this case, the variation is the amount of cookies you can order. So the smallest cookie quantity a customer can get is 4, but our client had us add 1 for 6 and added 1 for 12. And you can see how that when you click on a different attribute, that how the price changed. So it went from like $4.75 to $9.75. In addition to this, we have the gallery section. The gallery section allows you to have as many photos, but we recommend about 4 to 5 photos for your products. A customer does have the ability to click on the photo and jump into full screen mode and to be able to see the product pictures a lot better. They also have the ability to share the product out. Either they want to tweet it or Facebook, pin it, or even download it for themselves. Then we have the description and also the share the product section. Right now I'm going to show you what the shopping cart looks like and how does the customer experience looks like when they add products to a shopping cart. So I'm just going to add a few products. I'm going to add to bag and show you what that looks like. One thing to note, when it comes to the shopping cart, we have the ability to place them pretty much anywhere on the website. In this case, we add them to the product page and on the menu bar. So that way, if you're in the product page, you forgot how many products are in your page, you always see it on top. And then we put it on the menu bar, so no matter where you went on the website, the shopping cart would follow you. So I'm just going to jump in, and both of these buttons work, I think. So I'm going to jump into the shopping cart, and this is what the shopping cart looks like. You have the products that are listed over here, and you know the total cost of the products. A customer has the ability to like change the quantity amount. One cool thing that we can do in the back end, and we're going to show this, we're going to go deeper into this, is that you can set a limited amount. So if you were selling maybe like a limited edition and you want to maybe give people an equal opportunity to order that product, you could be like, hey, I only want a customer to order like 4 of this product. So you'll be able to do that. Then you have like the beginning phases of the checkout. Now, when we're setting up your e-commerce, we recommend that you get a PayPal and a Square account. And the reason why we recommend that is just gives your customers the flexibility of having 2 methods of payments. If you don't have a Square account, you could definitely let us know and we can send you an invite. And the great thing is if we send you an invite, you get an incentive in your Square account. So a customer will put in their email address right here and it will start the checkout phase. So during the checkout phase, they'll still see the products that they're ordering and they'll put in their shipping address information. Once they do that, they'll click on continue and they will be brought to the shipping method. In behind the scenes, you will be able to define your shipping methods. In this case, she only has 1 shipping method, but you can set up shipping methods that would include whether you're shipping with the U.S. Postal Service, UPS, FedEx. If you have different shipping speed, things like that, we'll be able to define in the behind the scenes of your e-commerce store. So once you have the customer has selected their shipping speed, they'll click on continue, and they're going to be brought to the final phase of the checkout. The reason why I mentioned earlier for you to have 2 different checkout methods is because it really does give your customer options in how they want to pay for the product. And so since we have PayPal, they can jump right into the PayPal system and they can use their PayPal account or use PayPal by credit. But then they also have the ability to use their credit card. When they use their credit card, we are actually using Square's technology to process the credit card payment. So all the financial transaction and the money or all that will be directly linked into your Square account. That doesn't go anywhere into Brown Sparrow or anything like that. On all that credit card information, all that information is going to be encrypted, and so you don't have to really worry about people getting hold of that credit card information. Another good thing about having these platforms onto your website is that it increases your website SEO. We're not really using Square's platform and sending someone to a different website to finish the checkout process. Everything is all done here and it's good to go. One thing I want to show you is that, let's say a customer does go through the checkout process. I'm going to show you what the email looks like when they fulfill an order. So once that order is fulfilled, you and the customer are going to get an order receipt. So the customer is going to see their order. It's like, hey, I bought this cookie, and it's going to be in the processing phase. And when we start the video and behind the scenes, you're going to see how you can actually change the status of the product. And when you change the status of the product, you're actually going to see the customer is going to get an email about when the status, what phase their product is, whether it's been shipped out or it's being prepared or things like that. So that's really about it. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Again, when it comes to the store, there are enhanced features we can add based on your needs. You just have to let us know like what kind of shopping experience you want to provide to your customers, and we'll let you know like some of the things that we can offer to your customers. But that's really about it. I invite you to look at part 2 of this video, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out at us at info@brownsparrow.org. Cheers.